Hello and welcome to the next session of the Voyage Mistress recipes from around the world. This time we are going to Italy to try something special and something really good. Let me just explain you what are the ingredients that we will need for this special and very good cake that comes from the island of Capri. And it's called tarta caprese, or the cake of Capri, more or less. We will need shredded almond, and basically it needs to be really goodly shredded. Then we need powdered sugar. We need 3 eggs, we need butter and dark chocolate. First we will melt butter and chocolate over the heated water in the pan. It's very important to have almonds really nicely shredded because they substitute the flour. This cake does not have flour, so for that reason you need to find those shredded almonds. If you're not able to find them, use those that you have. Peel them off before you start shredding them. Peeling off the almonds is the easiest if you put them into the hot water for a couple of minutes, and then the skin is just going to start peeling off without any trouble. You dry them on the hot pan, you shred them, and please try to shred them as little as possible. Once when we mix them together with butter and chocolate, this is what we get. There is a little secret that I add that gives them special taste, and this is basically a little bit of the rum. This is going to give very special taste to the cake. The original recipe does not say anything about the rum, but I tried both versions and I like the rum one a little bit more. Then we will separate the egg whites. Oops. Almost an accident. And we will mix egg yolks together with sugar. The white part of the eggs we are going to mix separately. Perfect. Perfect egg. Now when we have finished mixing the almonds together with the chocolate, we are going to add these into the egg and sugar. And then we add the whites of the egg. mix it in a very smooth way. These whites of the egg are going to give very fluffy structure to the cake. That's why we don't mix with a mixture, but with our hands, so that we don't kill any bubbles. So I'm using this small cake plate for baking, and you can either put butter or put baking paper, just I did. And then we just have to put all of the sauce inside, all of the mixture inside.